Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis.
How to qualify for table tennis at Paris 2024. The table tennis competition at Paris 2024 will feature a total of 172 athletes, with 164 of them qualifying through Olympic quota places and 2 of them securing a spot through universality places. Each NOC can qualify a maximum of 6 quota places, with a maximum of 2 athletes per NOC qualifying for the men's and women's singles events. After the Tokyo Olympics 2020, table tennis, a popular and dynamic sport, is set to return at the Olympic Games in Paris 2024. The same 5 medal events that were contested at Tokyo 2020 will once again be part of the Olympics, providing a great opportunity for NOCs and athletes to compete on the world stage. In this article, we'll take a closer look at the number of athletes, stars to watch, and the pathway to qualification for table tennis at Paris 2024. Number of athletes participating in table tennis at Paris 2024. A total of 172 athletes, 86 per gender, will be participating in the table tennis competition at Paris 2024. Out of these, 164 athletes, 82 per gender, will qualify via Olympic quota places, while the remaining 2 athletes, 1 per gender, will secure their spots through universality places. France, the host country, will receive 6 quota places, 3 per gender. Each NOC can qualify a maximum of 6 quota places, 3 per gender, across all 5 events. A maximum of 2 athletes per NOC can secure their spots in the men's and women's singles events. In the team events, each NOC can qualify a single team of 3 athletes per gender, while in the mixed doubles event, each NOC can qualify 1 team of 2, 1 man and 1 woman. Read the full qualification event on PingSunday.com. Singles qualification. For the singles events, there are 3 ways to obtain an Olympic quota place. 1 continental qualification events 32 athletes. Each IETF Continental Federation will identify an existing event to play the role of the Continental Olympic Qualification event. The highest ranked NOC in each continental qualification event, for Africa, Asia, Europe, and Oceania, will be rewarded with 3 singles quota places, apart from the Continental Qualification event of Pan America, which will allocate 5 singles quota places. 2 World Rankings 32 athletes. The 32 highest ranked eligible athletes, not already qualified and from an NOC different to those already qualified, in the World Singles Rankings, as of week 19 of 2024, Tuesday, May 7, 2024, will obtain a singles quota place. 3 Host country 3 athletes. The host country France will secure 3 singles quota places if they have not already qualified through the qualification pathway. Top table tennis athletes to watch ahead of Paris 2024 Olympics. Table tennis is a sport that has been dominated by the People's Republic of China, who have won 32 gold medals out of the possible 37 available in Olympic table tennis history. With a total of 60 medals since 1988, they have been a force to be reckoned with. The men's team, led by Mei Long, Fan Jindong, and Wang Chuqing, and the women's team, led by Chen Meng, Sunny Xia, and Wang Manyu, have each won the Teen World Championships 22 times. China's dominance in table tennis. China took home every gold medal available at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, except for the mixed doubles. They will once again be on the hunt for a clean sweep at Paris 2024. The strong men's and women's teams have been led by world-class athletes who have proven their worth time and time again. Rising talent from Japan. Japan has added younger athletes to their current squads and their level of play remains high. The world number 4, Haramoto Tomokazu, is a good example of the team's strength, and their recent win of the first Olympic mixed doubles gold at Tokyo 2020 showcases their potential. Ito Mima is another athlete to watch as they head towards the next games. European contenders. Players from Europe have also been making their mark in the sport, with Germany's Qiyu Dang and Benedikt Duda, Sweden's Troels Morgaard, and France's Lebrun brothers all having the capability to take center stage at Paris 2024. Other countries to watch. Athletes from traditional powerhouses such as Republic of Korea, Chinese Taipei, and Hong Kong, China will also be aiming for the podium in Paris. These countries have been competitive in the sport for many years and will be bringing their best to the upcoming Olympics.
I'm very sorry for